Marky Mark, what's up, my homie? It's Johnny. What's up, man? I'm making this video specifically for you. This is my Toyota Avalon 2000, and I just got done hooking up my Avital 5303 DEI car alarm. There's the brains of the unit right there, and look at all these crazy wires. I just got done hooking it up. My steering column is all apart. It's insane. I got tools everywhere. But the good news is I have remote start hooked up on this thing. As you can see here in my hand, I have my Toyota key right here, and I have my remote start right here. Okay, what you gotta do is press this third button right here 2 times within 3 seconds, and it should start. So let's go ahead and do it. Actually, wait a minute, I forgot, I gotta go turn the kill switch on, which is right in here. Right now it's in the off position. Just a little toggle switch, I have to mount it still. Okay, there, it's on. Okay, now let's stand back. Actually, we'll walk around the car. Alright. Okay, my homie. This one's for you, brother. Push this twice within 3 seconds. 1, 2. Whoops, I guess I didn't do it quick enough. 1, 2. Oh yeah. That's it, man. That's it. Starting. It started. And then to shut it off, just hit this button one more time. Sweet. Hope you like it, Marky. We'll do your car next.